Hello guys, welcome to bolartech engineering drawing channel. In this video we are going to be drawing a regular decagon, all right, of length 40 millimeters. So first of all, we are going to draw our thin horizontal line, then pick 40 millimeter length as our point AB on the line. This is AB. This is going to be 40 millimeter. Okay, so now what we are going to do next is to divide that point length, that line of AB. Okay, so in order to divide it, we are going to extend the length of our compass more than half of the length of AB. Okay, so then we are going to strike an arc upward, then strike an arc downward like this, in this manner. Then I'll place it at point A, also strike an arc like this and strike an arc like this. Then I'm going to place my compass here, then draw a line. Okay, let me extend the line upward like this. So this point here is actually 90 degrees. It is perpendicular to this line here. Now I'm going to pick my compass again, place it at point B, then at any convenient length I'm going to strike an arc, then strike an arc also towards my right hand side, then place it at this point. Let me label here as point 1, then here as point 2. Okay, then I'm going to place my compass at point 2 first, extend it more than the length of 1 and 2. Okay, then I'm going to strike an arc like this and strike an arc downwards. Then do exactly the same also for point 1. Strike an arc upward, then strike an arc downward. Then I'm going to join the lines together. Where it is passing is going to be passing through point B, all right, like this, in this manner. That's the line for which we have been given. Now the next thing we are going to do is to extend our compass from point B, all right, to point A. We're going to extend our compass from point B to point A, then draw an arc like this. So this point where this arc is touching this place, I can label it as point 3. All right, so now we are going to place our compass from this point here, this point, then extend it to point 3. Okay, then draw an arc like this, in this manner. So we are going to label here as point 4. Then from point A, sorry, I'm going to place my compass at point A, then extend it to point 4 like this. I'm going to extend it to point 4. Then from point 4 I'm going to draw an arc like this. So at this point where this arc is meeting this place, I'll call it my M, which is like my midpoint. Okay, so what we are going to be doing next is to place it on point M, then extend it to point A or point B, whichever point is convenient for you. All right, then draw an arc, a circle like this, in this manner. Okay, so now what we are going to do next is to extend our compass from point B to point A to get the length of our regular decagon. Then start marking the points. Yeah, this is 1 2 3 4 6 6.7. all right, then this is the last point. So now what we are going to do is to join those points together. All right, we are going to join those points together like this to form our decagon. If you found value in this video, please ensure you smash the subscribe button. It really help me a long way. Thank you for doing that. Then hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next.